Power-saving mode on a Samsung Galaxy device is a feature designed to extend the battery life of the device by reducing the power consumption. The brightness of the screen is reduced and the screen timeout duration may be shortened to conserve power. Dark mode is turned on so that the display consumes less energy. Background activities, background data synchronization, automatic app updates, and other similar activities may be restricted to conserve battery life. If you're constantly switching between apps all day long, your device's battery will drain quickly. Luckily, you can put some of your apps to sleep to save some battery life throughout the day. Setting your apps to sleep will prevent them from running in the background, so you can focus on the app's why. Limiting the processor speed can reduce the power consumption of your phone, leading to extended battery life. Processors consume a significant amount of energy when running at higher speeds, so reducing the speed can help conserve battery power. It's generate less heat compared to running at maximum performance, so limiting the processor speed can help keep temperatures in check. Certain connectivity features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data may be adjusted to save power. For example, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth may be turned off when not in use. Generally, reducing vibrations and haptic feedback can help conserve power since they require the use of the phone's vibration motor, which can consume some battery. Many smartphones offer customization options to adjust or disable these features to suit individual preferences and power-saving needs. Remember that the exact steps and available options may vary depending on your Samsung phone model and software version. If you want to conserve power and maximize battery life, reducing vibrations and haptic feedback can be an effective strategy. Many Samsung Galaxy devices offer different levels of power-saving modes, or allow users to customize power-saving settings based on their preferences. That flexibility lets users strike a balance between battery, preservation, and performance.